In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the camera and the Quill and Notebook as well. So we're in Minecraft right now, and you will see down the bottom here, we have our inventory panel, and there's only one thing in there at the moment. So we need to add our camera and we need to add our Quill and Notebook. And to do that, we go to this very end one here with the three dots and tap that. And down here, you'll see the magnifying glass. We just tap on that button. And in our search bar up the top, simply type in camera. That's it right there. And to add it to our inventory, you tap the square at the bottom in your inventory panel. So there we've got our camera. Now we can go back up the top and we can search for our Quill and Notebook. So you'll see here I've just typed in the word quill and it appears automatically. See, it's got a notebook with the little quill on top of it there. Same thing as the camera. We press on that and add it to our inventory at the bottom, and then you can close off that list. To use the camera, we'll just face this way here. To use the camera, select it from the bottom and just tap your screen and you'll see that it drops it down. You'll notice that a little message popped up saying take a picture, and it's already disappeared on me. So to get that to reappear, you just need to move up a bit closer to your camera until that comes up. Press take picture and you'll see the camera goes through the processes to take a photo, and there's our photo, and that saves that in the game. Now to use our Quill and Notebook, what we need to do is select the notebook and we just simply press right once it comes up. On one side here, you can just press in the blank space and type some text. You can also add photos by pressing on the pencil to edit down the bottom. So there's a photo that I've taken before. You'll see that the text has moved to a new page, so you can actually swap that around by pressing the arrows. And if you want to add more pages to create a journal, all you do is press the arrow and then type in those boxes there. And once you're finished your journal and you want to share it with your teacher, for example, all you want to do is press sign. You want to give it a title and you want to press sign and close. And you'll see that the quill has disappeared and now you've got a glowing notebook there. If we press read, we can actually export that as a PDF file. So I'm just going to press that as save to files. And I've just got a Minecraft file here, so I'm just going to press save. So once you've got it in your files folder, you can share it wherever you need to do from there. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Remember, if you've got questions, Google is the best place to find everything, and you can also look on the Minecraft Education website, which I'll put the link below. So happy Minecrafting, everyone. Bye.